I want to make sure I can wear it. Over here. That's what you said.
Messengers, they pointed out to me that I make a lot of energy sounds, and I need them to bring that to my self-awareness. I have a video coming out soon where I give my best tips on how to thrift while I show what I thrifted in Europe. So if you guys are interested, subscribe and hit the notification to stay updated.
The pants?
Yeah, those could really seem. I mean, they could like seem like a skirt.
Yeah. I want to try them on to see what I can style them with though. Because it's not exactly for my vision board, so I don't really know. Doggy. Okay, this is pretty cute. Oh, that's so cute on you! What? Do spin. Nice spin. I want to get this because it looks good on me, but I want to make sure I can wear it. So I'm calling Erica.
Okay, now for the camera, I need evidence.
I hereby give Tommy full. Oh my god, my brother's calling me.
No.
But she said that her friends would say and that she said that if an old lady saw me wearing it across the street, that they'd be like, oh, you look so nice, like this looks so good, like that. But she said she's not sure about the younger generation, which is what I'm worried about.
Now, like all the old people, we wear handbag and stuff like that. She's like, how about in writing?
In writing? No! Okay, I'll have it in writing. That's actually maybe it's closer to better. Wait. I hereby give Tommy permission to rock the Jipao Cheongsam because she looks awesome in it. I'm gonna get it. And we'll just see what happens. But I'm doing it from a place of respect. Like, it's so beautiful, so pretty. I'm not asking around. I'm not doing it because I'm crazy. Because I really, really care about fashion. And I've always wanted to wear like the dress, the Jipao dress, but I haven't come across one. I think this is fake too. Or maybe not. Oh, this is the place with the spiral that you're talking about. Pretty.
Hello.
Hello. Harry Potter's look like?
2000 something like that. Yes.
I never read them, but interesting. It looks more inviting for kids. And this actually looks like the actor. What's his name? Radcliffe. It looks actually
2007.
Maybe I should ask if they want these in the first place.
They're up at 2 in the morning right now.
Yeah, we'll see. I'll text them. Thank you. They're hard. It's hard. Oh, it's a bear! Oh, it is? Okay. But I couldn't eat a bunch of these at once. This is nice. Can I do cash?
€7.70.
Okay. That's funny. Oh no, I'm a tourist. My worst nightmare has come true. There's someone in there.
I like to pretend that I'm a princess at every single castle I visit ever, so here's that.
A sundial.
Not working right now.
Yeah, because it's cloudy.
I like how like you can see through the windows there, and you have the little statues in that world.
Thank you. Full circle.
This morning, I'm getting my amazing helper to go and get tape and typically for my suitcase that my wheel broke off when I was heading over to Germany. I'm getting ready right now to leave. I booked everything entirely through Trainline. Hoping that everything goes well. I'm going to Spain today. So I'm packing and just hoping and trusting.
Things are fine. Everything's fine. But I have to get on the sidewalk. Oh, I do.
Korea was way worse.
No, was it?
No,
I feel like this is worse.
Like until the morning, you hold the prick. It's not just one ticket. You hold the prick.
Goodbye.
Okay, the one in Switzerland is
Oh, so we're completely right. It feels so much better. Just seeing it makes me feel so much better. I'm like, yay, I'm going to Spain. Oh, I'm leaving Germany. Dang, and then when am I going to see you again? That's the thing about what sucks about having friends that live everywhere. I don't know when I'm going to see anybody. Maybe next time we have an adventure, we go to a different country. I mean, like, choose like a random place on the map and we just go. I need lip balm expeditiously. It is really bad. I have granola bars in my bag and these nasty cookies and the sandwich and an apple.
We managed this. We weren't at the main station.
If we had gone to the wrong station, I would have ended myself. After all of that, I'm finally booking tickets on that dang Eurail pass. If
You go.
free,
You got me to check it. I called people. I made sure.
right. I need you to help me lift it.
Follow, like, and subscribe.
Yeah.